I am going to introduce you to a 3-to-1 matching executive retirement solution called Kaizen. Kaizen is a unique retirement plan that will increase your retirement distributions by 60 to 100% using leverage, where a lender matches your 5 annual contributions 3-to-1 at LIBOR plus 1.75%. This is not a gimmick. It's a legitimate strategy that up until recently has only been available to the ultra wealthy, but now is available to those with an annual income of at least $100,000 who are in good health and no older than 65. So stick with me until the very end, where I'll give you all the information you need to learn more and to apply. Benefits include 60 to 100% increase in retirement distributions from the 3-to-1 match, market-like returns with zero risk to stock market downturns, tax-deferred growth, tax-free distributions in retirement, tax-free death benefit that can also be accessed while living in the event you have a chronic, critical, terminal illness or you need long-term care. There are no contribution limits, no RMDs, no loan documents, no interest payments, not even a credit check or personal guarantee. And your Kaizen account is protected from lawsuits, creditors, and bankruptcy. Almost every study indicates that a large percentage of people, including high-income earners, have not saved enough money to maintain their lifestyle in retirement. And high-income earners need to save even more for retirement over and above what Social Security and qualified plans like 401k or IRA would provide. Kaizen is one of the very few strategies that allows participants to use leverage to give them more benefits than they could save by themselves. You know, Americans' greatest financial fears are, number one, financial emergency, not enough savings to retire and outliving their retirement savings, not being able to afford medical expenses, job loss, and death of the primary breadwinner. Financial emergency. Most Americans save in order to have enough money in case something unexpected happens and they need a large sum of cash. And because of this, they avoid investing too much at one time. Kaizen is designed to not only make the most of your money, but also protect you with coverage and access to cash in the case of a financial emergency. Insufficient savings. If you retire today, could you live off the money you've saved for 22 years, which is the average length of retirement? Would you be able to maintain your current lifestyle? If you fully fund your 401k with 6% matching funds, do you know that you would actually have a 70% lifestyle drop in retirement if you earn over $250,000? Unless you supplement your planning. And 90% of people earning over $200,000 are under saving for retirement. The average 45-year-old actually needs to save 35% of their income in order to retire comfortably. And contrary to popular belief, spending does not drop in retirement because it's just spent on different things like healthcare. 1 in 7 Americans, 65 and over, will become disabled for 5+ years. According to Fidelity, an average retired couple, age 65 in 2020, may need approximately $295,000 saved, and that's after tax, just to cover healthcare expenses in retirement. Even worse, most benefits don't cover or only partially cover certain health conditions. In addition to potential disability, long-term care is an essential for 41% of Americans before age 65, with the average cost of $75,000 a year. Kaizen can add substantially more funds to your retirement plans while helping protect you in the event of future medical expenses. Death of a primary breadwinner. Approximately 70% of U.S. households would have trouble meeting everyday living expenses within just a few months if the primary wage earner were to pass away today. So let me introduce you to Kaizen.
When it comes to retirement, executives often think investing in stocks and other investments will provide enough income to maintain their current lifestyle for the average 22-year retirement. But in most cases, this ends up not providing the means to maintain their lifestyle throughout retirement. And when they come to this realization, it's too late to do anything about it. Most highly compensated people don't start saving until their 40s, missing out on years of compounding interest. This result is a significant loss in retirement funds, and in their 40s, most are saving only about 9% of their income. So how much should you be saving if you want to maintain your current lifestyle in retirement? 33% of your income! There's got to be another way to meet retirement goals without having to use a third of your income during your career. Well, there is. You now have a way to maintain your lifestyle during retirement. Introducing Kaizen. Kaizen is a proactive strategy that gives you access to extra money up front, providing you the potential to earn more for your retirement, protecting your future income without putting a drain on your current way of living. This strategy helps you maintain your current lifestyle in the event of a chronic illness, premature death, or inability to sufficiently save for retirement. Traditional retirement plans are typically insufficient for high-income earners. Kaizen is different because it makes use of leverage without the need for participant loans, interest payments, or personal guarantees. One of the greatest advantages of leverage is it provides an opportunity to significantly enhance your ability to save for retirement. Experts agree, when used correctly, leverage is a very powerful retirement tool. Even Forbes says you can leverage your way to a richer retirement. Here's how Kaizen uses leverage in a very different way. Your contributions are matched by the lender for the first 5 years. Then, the lender uses that as security for the additional funds for the next 5 years. The contributions are used to fund a cash accumulation life insurance policy. A minimum amount is used to purchase the death benefits, living benefits, while the majority of the cash is used to maximize your potential tax-advantaged growth. What could be better? Kaizen also has unique cash accumulation features within the policy. When a major market index like the S&P has growth, it is calculated and credited to you. Once gains are credited, they cannot decline due to market losses. This helps keep your money safe. Would you rather have this in retirement or the potential for 60 to 100% more retirement income with Kaizen? Secure your lifestyle with Kaizen. More money, more protection, more confidence.
If you are interested in learning more about Kaizen, I would suggest you first watch my video on Indexed Universal Life up here. It's about 25 minutes or so, but it will give you all the necessary information for you to understand how Kaizen works. Then, please see the link below to the application to get more information. And as usual, if this video was of value to you, please give it a thumbs up and comment and subscribe.